How to fix the D3D11 compatible GPU is required to run the engine error on your Windows. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. So in today's video, I'm going to be simply guiding you on how you can fix the D3D11 compatible GPU is required to run the engine error on Windows. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now this type of error usually happens when you are running an outdated version of DirectX. So to check this, first of all, just open up your search menu and then you simply want to type in dxdiag, which is also called dxdiag. So as you type in the full letter, you'll see this command that says dxdiag, right? So it says you to run command. Just go ahead and then click on this little button, and right over here it'll ask you, do you want to check if your drivers are digitally signed? So just go ahead and select the option called yes. And as you do that, it'll just take a couple of minutes, as you can see over here, and it'll show you the DirectX version installed. In my case, I'm using the DirectX 12. Now Windows 10 and Windows 11 will allow you to update your DirectX version directly through Windows Update settings. So to do that, just open up Windows settings, go to Windows Update, and then ensure that you are using the latest version of Windows. So if there is even a tiniest bit of update, I want you to update it to the latest version. If this doesn't help, then go to Apps and then go to Install Apps. Under Installed Apps, you simply want to search for Microsoft Visual C++. So you can just type in Visual C and you'll see all of the Microsoft Visual C++ application over here. You can see 4 of these, right? So just click on the 3 dots and then click on Modify. When you click on Modify, it will ask you to go ahead and repair it. So you can go ahead and repair this Visual C++ application as well. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.